Two Indian soldiers died in a firefight with Pakistani army troops in the disputed Kashmir region. Jammu and Kashmir is a disputed area which is located in the north of Pakistan and India, which is now controlled by the military, who are arresting and imprisoning the protesters by violating their rights. Military of both countries, India and Pakistan, have violated human rights in both regions. But people did not stop protesting. In fact, the nationalism get more increased. Even they were attacked by tear gases and stones by police, but the nationalism is still kept increasing. And if you look back at history, when people were attacked from all sides, then they start having extremist groups who use terrorism through modern weapons to attack their enemies in order to achieve their goals. People of Jammu and Kashmir want freedom and sovereignty from both India and Pakistan. The governments of both countries, India and Pakistan, have had a lot of agreements over the rising issue of Kashmir, but none of them actually worked. The rate of kidnapping, torturing, terrorist attacks, rapes have reached their heights. Foreign Minister of Pakistan says is that Pakistan seeks to resolve the Kashmir dispute on the basis of United Nations resolutions and aspirations of the people of Kashmir. Maybe the Foreign Minister of Pakistan don't know that the unknown activist forces working in Kashmir who wanted to destroy the Hindus' residence have already made 150,000 Hindus flee the Kashmir Valley. But the government of Pakistan and India have ignored those killings and violence just to keep their own country calm and to maintain the good relations. Whenever civilians protest, either they are attacked by police or imprisoned for a long time. Women have no rights. Indian army have used violence and abuses against women in Kashmir as a tool to subdue them. People of Kashmir have their own culture. Kashmir have its own traditions composed of many different religions. Kashmir have its own art, which is famous all over the world for its beauty of gold and silver work. The government of Pakistan have talked to Kashmiri leaders several times just to satisfy them, but never did anything to solve the Kashmir issue. Kashmir's population is dominated by Muslims, Hindus, and Buddhists. Pakistan is a majority Muslim country. However, on the other hand, India is a country with majority of Hindus, which causes a conflict between Muslims and Hindus. United Nations created the line of control to stop the conflict between two countries on 3rd of July 1972, which is controlled by military of both countries in order to stop the illegal migration, which again became the conflict for Pakistan and India. People again came out from their homes in order to protest, close the shops, economic collapses. Media have no freedom to even broadcast the situation. The Chiti Singhpura massacre refers to the shooting of 36 Sikhs in Anantnag district, which clearly shows that Sikhs are not also safe in the region of Kashmir. People's houses are attacked and their own family members are killed in front of their eyes. But what people can do is nothing but protest, which sometimes become difficult when the police starts their brutality. Police is not letting people to protest. Police operations have made shops and other business closed, which have made Kashmir's economy more collapsed. People are keep protesting, but is there anyone to take some action for the nationalism? People of Jammu and Kashmir wanted to be one nation under the one same flag with liberty and justice for all, no matter what religion they follow. For what Indian government don't have time to think about Kashmir and its issues. And Pakistan is already involved in improving its relations with Iran for its own beneficial reasons.